guys, it's Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new video, part of my travel nurse vlog for Jacksonville, Florida. So you guys, today is my day off. I'm going to hang at the beach all day, and what I did was I bought me a beach tent. Now, I thought I would try to put it together with you guys. It's supposed to be a pop-up beach tent. I'm hoping that it's real easy. I just opened it. I ordered it from my favorite store, of course, Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box, so if you like it, go ahead, check it out. I will get a small commission if you choose to order from my link, and I thank you in advance. Okay, so it's about yay big in the packaging, so I'm going to show it to you guys in just a second, and I'm hoping that I can put this thing together with ease. I thought I would try it before I head to the beach. All right, let me show it to you. So this is what I got. I haven't opened it up at all. I just took it out of the box. It had plastic wrapped around it. It was like that, sis. Okay, had the plastic wrap around it. I just took that off. This is what I'm working with. It is from the company, I guess, Gorich. All right, and at the time of purchasing this, at the time of filming, I paid like right under $40 for this thing. Okay, so we're gonna get it unzipped. Oh, I was hoping it had some kind of directions because I didn't see anything in the box. But it has this little thing attached to it with the directions on it. So I'm hoping your girl can put this thing together with no problema. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, speed this up and try to get this thing together, and we'll see if it's travel nurse friendly. Oh, but wait, before we go, I just want to show you guys, I have on my little swimming suit already. If you saw my plus size Amazon swimsuit haul, this was part of my collection last year. I'll probably do a new haul this year, but for now, this is what I got. This one is 2 pieces. And yeah, so I'm already ready. We just got to get this tent together, sis. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get this thing put together. Now, yeah, the directions. So what I had to do was spread the tent out on the floor. It came with these 2 sticks and also these stakes that were in these gray bags. And I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. But what I did was I went ahead and spread the tent out on the kitchen floor so that I would be able to work a little easier with putting the stakes in the tent. Not the stakes, but the sticks in the tent. And you'll see what I mean here in just a moment. So your girl got to go back to the directions, make sure that I'm doing things the right way. But these are the sticks. And they're really, really long, but they come folded up. And they have like a little string in the middle of them. I'm gonna show you here real quick. See that string? So you just pop the pole inside of itself, for lack of a better word. It's really, really easy. It goes together seamlessly and just it's very simplistic, you guys. So what I was trying to figure out, okay, I put the 2 poles together. Now what do I do with the poles? And the tent has like, see, little cutouts that you just thread the poles up the cutout, 1 on each side. And so I'm showing you here, this is the first side, and now I'm crisscrossing it to put the second pole in the second side. And I hope I'm making sense. Now you have to be careful because you will pull it apart where the string is, but it will just snap right back in place easily. So as you can see, I got both poles in the tent, and you can kind of set it up a little bit. But what you have to do is, see, the tent comes with these little feet. That's the foot, and you pop the pole inside of the first hole there on the foot. And you're gonna see me do it here. At the end of that pole, you just gotta put it inside of that first hole on the feet. And voila, you got your tent up. Now you guys, it comes with 4 of those feet, so you do it on all 4 sides of your pole, if that makes sense. Now the other thing I love about this tent is it has curtains, that's what I'm calling it. But you can literally put these little curtains up if you don't want anyone to see inside of your tent, or if you're getting too much sun. And there you have it. Ta-da! Look at my tent. And I didn't need my husband's help. It comes with these stakes, and these are so that you can, you know, put it down in the sand and your tent won't blow away. So I'm so proud of myself. I'm so excited I was able to do this so quickly. The directions really, really helped. So yay for that. And I love the fact that it comes with a nice compact carrying bag. It says to put sand or stone inside of the bag to fix the tent. There's little bags on the outside of the tent that they tell you to put sand or a rock inside of to also help give the tent some weight. And these anchors you're supposed to put in at a 45-degree angle, not straight up and down. And yeah, so let me show you that little bag. Okay guys, right here on the side of the tent, you see the tent? Right on the side is that little bag that you're supposed to fill with sand or put a rock in to give your tent a little more weight. So we'll do that when we get to the beach. So yeah, the tent was easy peasy to put together. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take it back apart, fold the little things back together, these things, put everything back in the bag, and we're gonna head to the beach, and I'll show you the setup at the beach. Okay, so guys, to break it back down was super duper easy. I just unhooked all 4 feet from each side of the poles. I then slid the poles out, and as I slid it out, I pulled the string apart, which released the pole and allowed me to fold it back into multiple small pieces, as you can see here. So I'm just pulling that pole out and I'm folding it together on itself as I'm pulling it out. And then I have my 2 poles. I put them back in the gray pouch. And now I'm just folding everything back together, leaving the blue side up. And the way that I remembered is blue to the sky. So I left the blue side up. And I'm just trying to fold it small enough to be able to fit back into the pouch. I absolutely love that pouch, you guys. It's so small and compact. It's like smaller than the size. It's literally smaller than my purse. And so I wound up having to refold it to make it fit the pouch. I kind of folded it too small the first time. So I opened it back up a little bit and I made it fit perfectly. I also threw the stakes in there and the poles. And there you have it. See how nice and tiny it is? It's just perfect. Yay! We got it made! Yay guys, I did that! Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was easy peasy. Now we're gonna relax and enjoy. Bye! You guys be blessed. And remember, sis, what I always say. To show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Be blessed.